Congratulations to all of you for another bountiful year, another successful harvest. The saying, as you sow, so shall you reap, is most true for us. To produce safe, abundant and quality crops, we need to protect them from pests, diseases and weeds. It is important to use pesticides safely and responsibly to prolong the life of crops and prevent post-harvest losses. So, who can recall the first step about handling and applying pesticides?
Pradhan ji, we must always use registered pesticides and read the product label before using.
Pesticides should be transported safely away from food, people and animals.
Haha, very good Ramadeep. What else?
Pesticides should be safely and securely stored in their original containers, under lock and key, away from children.
I want to add too, we must maintain the spray equipment properly and use the correct nozzles for spraying.
Very good Sukhya.
We must also wear appropriate personal protective equipment when measuring, mixing and spraying pesticides.
Perfect. Excellent Banta. Next.
Empty pesticide containers should be rinsed 3 times, punctured to prevent reuse and disposed properly.
We must practice proper personal hygiene while handling pesticides.
Excellent Bhupi. Well done all. Also remember not to eat, drink or smoke when spraying. And in case of any accidental exposure, seek medical advice immediately and take the product label along with you. Arey Bhola, you haven't spoken a word. What happened? Why are you sitting there sad-faced?
What to say, Pradhan ji? My harvest was a complete failure. Pests destroyed my crops, left nothing for us too.
Arey, why? What happened? Did you not take care of your crops? Did you not use the right pesticides?
I did everything for my crops like I always do. But
Which pesticides did you use? Did you not buy from a trusted supplier?
this year I bought pesticides from a mobile van. It cost a lot less. The seller said it's a new product, safe to use, deadly against pests. He also promised better yield. And yes, I remember they refused to give a receipt.
Arey Bhola re Bhola. You are both Bhola by name and Bhola in nature too. They fooled you into buying counterfeit pesticides.
Huh? There are counterfeit pesticides in the market as well? Oh, I never knew that.
Yes, Bhola. Unfortunately, counterfeit pesticides and their labels are made to look similar to the genuine ones. They are not registered with the government and are illegal. These counterfeit pesticides contain unknown substances that have little or no effect on pests. So the crop gets destroyed, laying waste months of hard work and precious investment. Not only that, counterfeit pesticides leave harmful toxic residues, putting crops, livestock, soil, water and the environment at risk. So you see, using counterfeit pesticides can unintentionally bring a bad name to farmers, to their village and fellow farmers.
Hey Bhagwan. So, what should one do?
As an aware farmer, you must always insist on proper bill or receipt every time. Refuse to purchase if pricing is doubtful. Check registration, manufacturing and expiry details on every pack. Ensure the pack, seal or container is not broken, cracked or tampered with. Call the phone number provided on the pack for more details.
Thank you, Pradhan ji. I'll not make the same mistake again. But please tell me, how do you know all this?
All that I know, I've learned from CropLife India. CropLife India helps farmers to adopt new sustainable technologies in agriculture while providing in-depth training to farmers on good farming practices, on responsible use of crop protection products as well as container and resistance management, thereby enhancing crop production, farmer income and environment protection. CropLife India also collaborates with government bodies and other stakeholders for extensive awareness amongst farmers and retailers and drives programs to promote safe, responsible and judicious use of pesticides and best practices from their purchase to safe disposal. Okay, brothers and sisters, that's enough Gyan for today. Time to get back to the celebrations, to thank our gods and CropLife India for supporting our efforts and hard work. Visit CropLife India website for the latest news and information.